Lorelai. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, welcome to Wedding Cakes for You Cake Tutorials. And if you want to build your skills and confidence to create the most beautiful cakes and memories, then don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell.
Let's hear it for Braden. Wow, that was amazing. This is Braden's birthday cake. He's going to be 9 years old and he wants a fortnight cake. So, Grandma to the rescue. I'm making him a chocolate buttermilk cake from my book, Wedding Cakes with Lorelai, Step by Step. The cakes are chilled and ready for filling. Sticky side goes down. Vanilla buttercream is so perfect for this cake, and I use my Italian meringue buttercream recipe, which you can also find in my book, and I have one on YouTube as well. And I'll leave the links for all of that below. The Loot Llama from Fortnite starts with a mix of pink and purple gum paste. Now I used fondant and I just mixed some Tylose powder in there, just a little pinch. Basically you make a rectangle for the body, another small rectangle for the neck, and an oval for the head. I'm not gonna lie, this was a lot of work to create this, especially the shape of the head, but in the end I think it turned out pretty good. To create the mouth, you can use a knife and make a slit and just kind of open the mouth and pull the lower chin forward a little bit. That makes it look a little more like a llama. And also you need to make lines with, I used a skewer to make the lines for the bridle and also to make nostrils. And let's see, skewers can also be used to hold the pieces together. So you're going to need skewers. Toothpicks are not going to be heavy duty enough, so get the skewers. We'll use a little bit of gum glue between the pieces and then let it sit overnight. So for the legs, just create some shapes like I did here and push the skewer through. And you're going to have to play around a little bit with where to cut it. Make sure to poke pre-holes into the underside of the body so that you can push the legs in the next day after you let it sit. The ruffles are kind of fun. Just roll out the gum paste thinly and then cut strips, and then use an X-Acto knife to cut little tiny strips. Then brush a small amount of gum glue or water and press the pieces on. Same goes for the eyes and the ears, the bottom teeth, and the bridle. Last but not least, it's the backpack, or whatever that thing is called. And the last little touches, like the little arrows and a little tiny white, I don't even know what they are, but they're little tiny white things that go on there. You'll see that in a little bit. Those little touches really bring this guy to life, especially the eyes. Now the eyes, I cheated a little bit. I had little eye candies. You can make them with fondant or gum paste as well. I'm scraping the cold cake here to get it smoother. You can just scrape it with a spatula, or rather a bench scraper, and that helps to kind of smooth out the buttercream. Marshmallow Man is super easy. Just make a smile and some eyes. And all I did was I went online and looked up some pictures of what Marshmallow Man looks like. And it's so easy to do. I just cut them out with the paper and then I traced around them with the black. I just added sprinkles all over the top because I wanted to keep this really, really simple. The backdrop seems to go with my cake. Our dining area sprung a leak and the guys are on the other side drilling and banging and making all kinds of noise, but they're super nice. Oh, and here they are. I made the letters the tappets, and I do have a link below to a really awesome tutorial on that if you want to use those. And then silver ribbon was perfect for this fortnight cake, featuring Marshmallow Man and Loot Llama. If you like my cake tutorials, subscribe and hit the like button.
I love it.
Happy birthday to our adorable grandson, Brayden, and he's a really good dancer. And I'll see you in the next video.